Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video on a product which I'm just using today. I haven't used it before. I usually use the Holt one, but this one is the Meguiar's two-step headlamp restoration kit. Usually I have the one which has got 4 pads on it, which will then buffer it down from 600, 800 down all the way to 3000. So therefore, but this isn't like that. This is literally all this is a scratchy pad on a wheel. It says you can just use your hand, the cleaning solution, which is like the same as the other bits and bobs, and then a spray over the top. So this is the stakes. Failed the MOT because they can't, they're cloudy, they're not making a pattern. And I've just done one. It didn't take me very long at all. It's actually come up all right. It's actually come up not too bad. So yeah, so I'll show you what we're doing. Right, it's given us 2 pads, so we'll just use the new pad that it's given us. It's given us a new pad of each side. Just gonna, last one I put it all on the lens. Did make quite a mess, so I'll give you absolutely crap loads of it. So I'm gonna just put like a big blob in the middle. And just get it to work. Just going to cover the lens a bit, to be fair. We've got plenty of it. Made in the USA! So we're just going to spread it all over it first. I'll clean the car off afterwards. Did it for about 5 minutes. And even afterwards I was like, it doesn't look that great. And then I cleaned it off with some water. And then I put the top lacquer on and it seems to have come out right, see? As long as it gets it through the MOT, we're happy. This isn't exactly a top of the range motor, so preparation around the edging with tape and etc. has not taken place. It's done 189,000 miles. The state of it on the inside is horrendous. So I'm not wasting my time. So I know the customer One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll do. Use my special wipey sock. Still looks pretty crap. This is how it looked on the other one pretty much. And then I did actually wipe it with some water, and then it looks better from wiping it with the water. And then clean rag, which again is a sock, just looking like that. Just doesn't look too bad. Still looks pretty crap. And we've got this magic stage 2 headlamp coating. There you go. That should be okay. I'm hoping for my MOT. So that's the Meguiar's restoration headlamp kit, 2-stage. Got it from Euro Car Parts. It hasn't actually done too bad a job, to be fair. I don't know how long it's going to last. I personally don't think it's going to last a year. I reckon in about 2 months' time they're going to look like crap again. But as long as we've got it through the MOT, the customer should be happy for now. So that's that. That's that one. I think it's all right to get the job done. It should definitely go through the MOT now, 100%. I know it will do. So yeah, so if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We do some more car stuff all the time. So I hope you liked it. Catch you later.